In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Docs offline. This feature can be incredibly convenient when you're traveling. In areas with limited internet connectivity, or just simply want to ensure you have access to your documents anywhere, anytime. Let's dive in and get your Google Docs set up for offline use. First, go ahead and open your web browser and navigate to the Google Docs homepage. If you're unfamiliar, you can simply search for Google Docs in your search bar. And you should find a link to the main page quite easily. Click on it and you'll be taken straight to the Google Docs interface. Once you're in Google Docs, you'll see a variety of documents you've worked on or have been shared with you. In the upper left-hand corner, there's a menu icon represented by 3 horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu. Click on this menu, and a sidebar will open up. Now scroll through the options and look for the Settings option. It might be towards the bottom depending on your screen size. Click on it, and you'll be presented with different settings related to your Google Docs. The option we're interested in here is Offline. It's a feature that allows your documents to be saved on your device, so you can edit them even when there's no internet connection. There's a simple toggle switch next to the Offline option. All you need to do is switch this toggle on, and once you do, Google Docs will start preparing your most recent documents to be available offline. This process might take a few moments, especially if you have many documents or some large files, so don't worry if it's not instantaneous. It's important to note that you need to have sufficient storage space on your device since the offline documents will be saved locally. Also, to make individual docs available offline, open a doc, click the 3 dots in the top right corner, and toggle Available Offline there too. This ensures specific documents you frequently need will always be at your fingertips. Once everything's set up, you can continue working on your documents even if you lose your connection to the internet. Any changes made while offline will sync automatically the next time you're connected.